Hello and welcome to the WOP Story Act 4. Today, I'm talking about the topic of coffee distillates. That means it's about a product that pairs perfectly with coffee. Everyone knows Caffè Corretto. What is that? Grappa with up to 20 grams, sugar sweetened is poured into espresso and it can be sweetened, is poured into an espresso and then drunk. You need less sugar because the grappa brings its own sweetness. But a coffee distillate has to bring its own sugar to sweeten the coffee. Sugar, or bring a bit more sweetness so that the coffee is sweetened to taste. The better the coffee, the higher the quality of the 100% Arabica, the better the harmony between a coffee distillate and an espresso, of course. How do you enjoy the thing? I have just prepared two different coffee distillates today. This is the Nero, which is apple and wine yeast. Then we have the Bianco. This is mainly plum. There are small amounts of sloe, mirabelle, and plum in there. But personally, that's my favorite. Women prefer the Bianco. That's right. So now we take a little bit of the Nero in a glass and takes a sip of the espresso. Very good. And at the same time, you carefully take the coffee distillate. Perfect harmony, wonderful aroma. The intersection between apple and wine yeast is the whole dismissive aspect. So, and when there's still a bit of coffee left in the cup, once there's only the cream left inside, the remaining distillate is added and enjoyed. A toast to the beautiful life.